That's why the yields are popping up this morning. Fed's in a bit of a pickle. Inflation is maybe starting to tick back up.
Getting some.
The president's going to lose his mind if they don't cut rates in September.
All right. So, yeah, president wants lower rate. Everybody wants lower rate.
So does the market. Seems like this whole market is going up on the prospect of lower rates. Yeah, Apple's squeezing. Tesla's squeezing back up here. Apple's going
What's the
green on
news
the
on
day.
Trinity Biotech? It's probably.
I don't think I'm going to watch that. It's too erratic. Contrary to what Carlos was saying, I don't generally like to trade low floats. So yields aren't up that much. The TLT is only down 17 cents.
Yeah, TLT usually starts changing after the market opens. I found that in the
Yeah.
pre-market, post-market bonds are not really super trustable.
Hmm. All right, they're in there buying the dip already. Qs are popping,
All right,
spies popping.
30 seconds to the open. What's our buddy AMD doing? AMD sold off significantly. It was amazing last couple of days. See if we can get a good entry on Amazon. Amazon could be a good open range breakout. It's already extended.
Yeah, Amazon's interesting. All right, get ready to rock and roll. Here we go.
Rock and roll.
Tesla's ripping. It's really nothing up there except a big order at 350.
See what Amazon doing. Amazon is doing great. AMD AMD is squeezing nicely about the VWAP.
PLTR popped, AMD popped, Nvidia popped, everything popped up.
Very nice. All right, AMD might be a good open range breakout. I'm considering long AMD for 1 minute. Closes above the VWAP.
And shorted
I'm
Tesla.
long AMD on for 1 minute open range breakout, 181.60. Let's see.
Shorted Tesla when it dropped through the VWAP there. Let's see what it does.
Let's see what Qs are doing. Qs are trying uh, find a good.
Here we go.
Nvidia is ripping. All right, Nvidia looks like it wants to go green. Yeah, let me get a long on Nvidia at 90.20. See, Nvidia looks like it wants to go higher. I'm also long AMD. Let's see these
Just
semis.
out of my Tesla trade. Just bit of a pop and drop there.
Let's see if AMD can go to 182. Qs are fairly above the VWAP. NVDL guys, I'm long on NVDL at 90.20. NVDA squeeze was nice, so I want to see if NVDA goes green or not. Still long on
Yeah,
AMD as
and
well.
see what happens here.
People like Thor
Ah,
and Fitch are shorting right now. See
Tesla.
if they're winning or
Damn,
not.
Tesla's gonna drop some more. Maybe not though.
All right, so Qs are popping. Again, short sellers like Thor are looking for a weakness. Let's see if they're winning or we are winning.
Let's try long AMD. See if it can get back to PDC 184. That's a bit of a stretch. There's a big order at 183 right now.
Yeah, 183 might be, but I agree with you. Let's see. I'm partialing some here at 182.51. NVDL,
Stalling.
getting a stop down on NVDL, guys, 89.40. NVDA lost the VWAP.
Yeah.
Let's see. Adding a little more on AMD, 182.34. Let's see. If NVIDIA comes back up later, I'll get in there. You said there's big ask at 183 on AMD, yes?
Yeah. I don't like it. I'm getting out of it.
Amazon was nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get some long on Amazon, 229.17 for the break of 5 minutes range breakout. NVIDIA is coming back up.
Oh, there was a big spike on the Qs.
I'm back on NVIDIA as well. I'm back long on NVIDIA. Wow. Amazon wants 230. There you go. Boom. Ah, shit. Come on, come on, come on.
There sure seems to be people that want to buy this dip.
AMD 183, so I'm long in NVIDIA as well, guys. Let's see Amazon 230.
And back long AMD as well.
Nice. 183. I want 183 on AMD. I might actually have three positions. I probably shouldn't have, but maybe I get out of Amazon.
Oh, yeah, nice.
I'll get out some 183 on AMD.
Yeah, I'm selling some here.
I want Amazon 230.
Yeah, big spike on the SPY and the Qs. Everything
Yeah.
just spiked up there. I don't know.
Yeah. What was
I
that
don't know
about?
what the hell that was, but
Come on, come on, come on. 230, 230. Amazon. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 230, 230. Nice. Oh, AMD. AMD.
yeah, there you go. Took out that 183
Nice.
level quite
Shutting down on
nicely.
AMD, guys. I have some. If NVIDIA pops
Just
up, then
selling
that would be cool too.
selling a little more.
Wow,
Oh yeah,
nice.
now we got an order at 184.
Amazon 230, partialing Amazon 2. That's how we trade. Nice. If Nvidia
That's
pops
how
up to
we
about 90.50, I make the losses back. That would be cool.
just buy the dip. That's all you do. Just
Yeah, so too.
buy the dip.
I'm telling you, it's the 2021 all over again. Exactly. For those of you who didn't trade 2021, it was like that.
Yep.
All right, NVIDIA, if NVIDIA does opening range breakout, that would be nice too. Come on, NVIDIA. You can do it. Everyone is going up. You can do NVIDIA too. What was that 934? That was a really nice pop.
That was quite the pop.
Yeah. AMD, I think it's gonna go green. I think a little bit more on AMD here, 183.76. Yeah, I think AMD wants to test the green. Yeah, AMD wants to go green. Can't, I cannot wait.
Here we
Um,
go. 184. Just selling some more on AMD.
no, 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 don't say
AMD's
don't
turned
check out.
into
AMD, the previous they closed 184.42. I'm gonna put my order
AMD.
184.42. Don't be like that.
AMD's been a great trading stock, eh?
Yeah, it's last couple of weeks has been amazing.
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm gonna get out of my that NVDA trade. Yeah, I'm all out of my NVDA. I don't know if it wants to pop up or not. I'm all out of NVDL, guys. I'm just Amazon and AMD. I got filled AMD, previously close. What is Amazon doing? Amazon 230.50. I'm gonna put some order Amazon 230.50. What do you think, Brian? 2,000 shares? Me.
And some Amazon? No,
Yeah. You're not?
not. No, I didn't trade Amazon. Just Tesla and AMD. So far, AMD I'm pretty much out of because we're at PDC. I don't know if we're going to go higher from here. Hold on to a little bit, just see if we can. Oh, there goes. Amazon does have some orders to the upside, so it does look somewhat promising for you. Excuse me here.
NVDL popped up. I knew it's gonna pop up. I just had too much position. NVIDIA is gonna go green. Same trade on NVIDIA. How much did I lost on that? I think I made some of my losses back. Yeah, it's not bad. Nice. All right, Thor shorted a spy. Again, I told you, in these days, short sellers like Thor are gonna find this a strength to short, but sometimes we squeeze them. Yeah.
So
Wow,
I don't
AMD
think
is popping up.
Thor just trades off levels. So I mean, he just traded off that pop at that level. He would have traded off the bottom if it had bounced.
All right. AMD 1,000 share at 185. Are you in this with me, Brian?
Not yeah.
Wow, look
I
at this
have some
video.
Nvidia. Oh, look at yeah. AMD was bound to go through there, wasn't it?
Guys, I have some good news. We're building the bookmap in Trading Terminal. Let me show you the picture. It's so coming up so fast, so nice.
Yeah, looking forward to that for sure.
So this after, here it is. So you can see it. Oh, not this one. This one. No, not this one. Yeah, here. So we're working a different configuration and stuff. So you can see it on my screen. These are my developer teams. Are you really paying $300 for this? I'm gonna give it to you with $59. All the level two, all the levels are in there. So, and this is just the prototype. In 2 months, it's gonna be exactly like Bookmap, even better.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah. So I can't believe they're charging that much Bookmap for this. Don't pay for that. All right. AMD, I didn't get filled. Um, NVIDIA was really nice too. I, I got a big position on NVIDIA, but so NVIDIA, yeah, that's exactly the trade that I wanted to get on NVIDIA. Okay, AMD, I got filled, guys. Wow, what a rip on these
Wow,
things.
what a nice move on
What a nice one.
AMD. AMD is becoming my best friend all of a sudden.
This is absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing.
I have to
Wow.
get Paris to do a new recording.
Yeah, let's see if Amazon. I'm gonna add a bit more on Amazon as well. 230. Oh, there you go. Popped up. I'm also getting some Amazon long more, guys. Let's see Amazon get. I have orders at 230.50.
I love you, AMD.
I love you, AMD.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
All right, let's see what
Yeah,
Carlos
it's just
guys.
it's easy to trade a stock when it's just going up. Yeah.
All right. All right. Amazon is going to 230.50. I'm going to get filled. I have a big position on Amazon. Um,
SPY just bounced off moving averages.
shit. Amazon didn't pop up. Amen is killing it with these options day trading. Amen is super nice trading.
Yeah.
Nvidia, very nice, Rogelio.
Turned him into an options trader.
I know. Well, that options is the way to go, really, for um,
Yeah. Well, both my trades, Tesla and AMD, were options trades as well.
so Amazon might actually stop me out. What's my average on Amazon? 229.27. Yeah, let's see if this pullback survives. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get a stop out now. All right, I'm gonna get a stop out on Amazon, guys. Yeah, that ad. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a stop out. I didn't get hit on 230.50. It went up all the way up to 30.49. So 1 cent, and it's gonna go back up. Usually when it stop me out, the market is there to get me. So the only thing that I have is right now AMD. I'm gonna add a little bit more on AMD. See if we can do another pop up. I'll bring my average to 183.36. It's just above the VWAP. See if we can do another pop. Some amazing trading in the chat room on Amazon. MTJ, Michael, you did really nice on AMD, nice ads. Wow, it's amazing. That's amazing.
There we go. Popping now.
All right, so let's see if AMD can go back up. NVIDIA was also super nice. Very similar pattern on both NVIDIA and AMD. I just got out of NVIDIA earlier because I had two position. I didn't want to really have a big position. AMD, yeah, I told you AMD is gonna go for previous day close. I did partial early, but I did add back on it. Yeah, it's amazing. All right, NVIDIA is going back up. AMD is also popping back up. 185.50. What's your thought on that? 185.50. Bullish. What is this bullish BLSH? I saw some people are tweeting and stuff. What is this one? Bullish ordinary shares? This is IPO yesterday, huh?
Yeah, this is crypto, some kind of crypto thing.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem like super nice. AMD. See if AMD can get to 185.50. And John, very nice trading on Amazon. Amazon was very nice too. I gotta stop that, but I think it's gonna continue going higher. Um, my ad kind of messed up my entry, but I made good money on Amazon. Wow. The next target on Amazon, that's a good question. Let's go through the chart, see what we have here. Um, Back in end of 2024, after Zuckerberg's look at Lawrence Sanchez, it came to 230.22. That is this area. Might be 230, yeah, 232 somehow. These are some areas around here. Um, yeah, it looks like already is struggling at 230. It's a little bit hard for Amazon really to find a level right now. Yeah, Qs are gonna go green. SPY already green. Bonds are surprisingly, they were gapping up and now it's sold off.
Okay. Just along some SPX calls. Oh, nice move up there. Wow. Nice, Gary. Yeah, that would be amazing if we got back to PDC.
Um, all right, so the only trade that I have right now is AMD, guys. See if, go back to 185.50. I'm gonna stop, get a stop out of the VWAP if it goes down. It was pretty really decent day for me. I'm
Q's
satisfied
went
and happy.
Q's went green. Why is that not shocking?
I'm telling you, it's 2021 all over again. What did Tesla do today? Nothing really garbage.
Tesla's been kind of a crappy trade.
Language, Brian, language. We're talking about
Crappy?
laws.
Crappy? Crappy. Come on. It's a dog's
Doug's
breakfast.
breakfast.
Yeah.
Doug's breakfast is a better word. Meta was running out.
And crappy pappy. Ooh. Wow. My penny stock FMS is officially a double. Of course, I haven't sold anything. Yeah, selling some, Gary. Okay. Maybe I should sell. I don't have a lot. I don't trade this in any kind of size.
TEM is up. Tempus AI.
SPX. Which ones are you trading? I'm trading the trading here. 6450. No. Yeah, 6450s. Ooh, big drop. That's why they're scary. Oh, you're just doing the same ones I'm doing. Nice. Oh, things dropped. Qs went red.
Exactly, Drew. That's a great point. The rising level has to stay below the VWAP. So it's very important to rising level has to stay below the VWAP. If it, AMD was really trading above the VWAP, just in the first minute ripped above the VWAP. So if it's
Yeah.
above the VWAP, you don't want to stay short in there. And that's why I went long. Yeah, so I think I had a pretty good day, really solid day. I don't think I'm going to open any new position. AMD, I'm going to get stopped out of the VWAP. Let's see if it's going to go for the half the day or not. I don't think I'm going to trade this even in 920 either because it's kind of flat for the day. If it was gapping up, maybe. So yeah, I'm just chilling out and sitting and having fun. Again, you don't have to be in every trade. You don't need to look for trade all the time. So if you made your goal, just shut down, say goodbye, go and have your breakfast, enjoy, spend your time with family. If you're in Europe, um, go
Yeah.
out, enjoy some
Go out for
wine,
go out for a beer.
go for a beer, water lab.
Or whatever you want to drink.
Yeah, it's
Go out for an espresso if you're in Italy.
exactly.
Love Italy.
Absolutely. I'm super excited for the level two for trading terminal. It looks to be coming up so fast, so great. We have all the Nasdaq total view. Everything that you see on my screen and the numbers, we have it on visualization on trading terminal. Free for everyone.
Ooh.
Yeah. And we're gonna incorporate all the trading view library, exactly like trading view with all the futures data, micro futures data and everything inside trading terminal as well. So essentially you can switch from TradingView. All the Thor's cam indicators and everything is coming soon. Thor is helping us a lot in building it. Nathan is helping us a lot in incorporating the level two, and then when the number of the people are coming and supporting the terminal, we're gonna add more and more, you know, level three data, Arca data, and everything in there. As long as we have a good base that supporting it, and you can add it will be. No, trading terminal would never be too connected for a broker. Never. You don't need the TradingView subscription anymore when we implement the charting, because people love TradingView charting and it's really nice. So we're going to add that as a new tab for charting. Um, we have our own simulator, which is very similar to TradingView. We're customizing it, but TradingView will be there. I don't think you need, when we move over, you don't need TradingView subscription. Um, and no, we're not gonna make it for the broker because, I don't want to compete with DAS or TWS or Gursunim and stuff. Connecting with the real account is a completely different, animal. Uh, so it's
Yeah.
all just for practice, a funded account, building trade book, and then you switch to very sophisticated platform for real trading. Journaling tool, of course, yes, coming.
They had that pretty significant pullback, bounced off the VWAP on the SPY, came pretty close on the Qs. Actually, Qs did a 920. So did the SPY,
Q's did
really.
920 on. Q's went
Yeah,
green, very
take a look.
nicely.
Yeah, both of them did. It went 920 on that pullback. Unfortunately, I was looking at my penny stocks positions. I missed that.
Cam, it is real time, and there is no limits that you can open the number of the charts for now. So in one chart, you have up to, can have up to four, and then you can add another tab as well. Okay, so AMD is dropping back to my entry, so I think I'm gonna get a stopped out on AMD. All out, guys. Had a pretty good day. Very nice.
Yeah, I have no positions right now.
So
Um,
yes, we're
I
gonna add
should.
TradingView
Oh shit.
completely into Trading Terminal. And again, the book map completely. I think the name we're gonna use maybe order map or order book or something like that. Because book map you can't use it; it's trademarked. We're gonna add hotkeys. We're gonna probably release hotkeys for Trading Terminal this week as well. We're gonna test it out. And next week we're gonna do the practice run, and then we start the funded account free for everybody who is supporting that. And those are you who are signing up now for Trading Terminal at the $59, you're gonna grandfather it forever, no matter what kind of additional data we're adding, because each data package you need to add more. But the early supporters, the people who are supporting, giving us a lot of feedback. There is get feedback, bugs and stuff. We found a lot of bugs. I'm fixing them really fast thanks for your support. So forever you're gonna get that price. But that's when we launch the book map, we have to increase the price a little bit because it's $20 per user has to go to Nasdaq for uh, Nasdaq Total View. Trade map. Trade map is interesting too. Put the name. Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
probably find the name altogether. So we're gonna put you know, uh, when we're finalizing it close to launch, we're gonna for the name, we're gonna maybe do a community vote or something like that.
Gold and silver stocks are up a bit. What's doing well today is Netflix for some reason.
Netflix, yeah, Netflix
I
is up.
guess if
Amazon
I
is up.
guess with yeah, if we're going going into a recession, the theory is nobody gives up their Netflix.
Yeah, so Bookmap is essentially the visualization of level two in DAS and history. So it's also the history of level two as well. So it's potentially we can have replay on level two as well through trading terminal. In the next phase, we're going to do that as well. And the reason that it's visual is because there's a lot of data. So you don't want to process so many data in the browser. So, there are some technologies that process those data and then they send graphics visualization to the browser. I think it's called D3 or something. Yeah. So, and that's good enough. And yes, so the question is everybody that's signing up $59 per month will be grandfathered forever, no matter how many more data package we're adding. So if it's more than that, then I have to absorb the cost myself as the token of appreciation for your patience. But when we launch the bookmap, we probably increase the price to $99. And if you add more data, we probably have to add a little bit more data in it. But depending on how it goes, because futures data, micro futures, you have to pay to the CME exchange as well. So, but everybody's grandfathered because what I see here is that supporting, um, you know, as early users, early adopters, you're supporting this, and no matter how much add value we did, journaling, everything is all would be included. Yeah, so you're grandfathered, Steve. As long as you don't cancel, you're grandfathered. And again, this is only for practice, simulation, funded, and funded account again is all simulation. Funded, account that is for, training and simulation environment. It's gonna stay this forever. I don't want to go toward building a trading platform because why would I build something when there is this Lamborghini available for you to trade named DAS? Why do you want to go build something? But I think what DAS
You're
didn't have was, I asked them a lot to go, add, level two replay, book map and everything, and they don't because that's not their focus. Their focus is building a good trading platform. So I said, okay, I'll build it myself. And they said, yeah, sure, build it for yourself.
grandfathered and your grandfathered.
There's so many cool things we can do together as the community. So many cool things we can do. I have a lot of
Yeah,
ideas. My problem is I just don't have enough people for it, and I drive my developers crazy. Like I say, oh, launch this. I say, oh fuck, like they really want to kill me. Like they cannot wait until I go to Benima next week, and I go to Nepal again for climbing. They just can't wait.
yeah, it was, and you almost gave up on trading terminal for a while there.
Yeah, at some point I said, I just can't do it because building this technology company requires a different mindset. Really, really.
Yeah,
I'm a trader, I'm a content creator, I'm an educator, but I got lucky. One of our traders, David, he's one of our really good traders. He's reached out to me and he said, I'm happy to help, that kind of thing. And I said, oh, thank God, I'm happy to pay you. So he became as a solution lead and now he really runs the team, adding all the features. It's amazing. See again, I built the Bearable Traders from the community. Like Peter, Carlos, everybody was part of users of community, and now they're part of the team. Same as Trading Terminal now. Trading View, Pierre Pablo, he's one of our traders. He's building Trading View for us. Um, David is the solution lead to put everything together. So again, Trading Terminal is also becoming a creation of our little community together.
oh, yeah. We didn't do it because it was easy. We did it because we thought it was easy.
Yeah,
We kind of
so
stalled.
Trading Terminal has nothing to do with DAS. They're completely two different platforms. So Jay, Trading Terminal is a website that our community owns, and we do our own stuff in there. Has nothing to do with DAS. DAS is a platform that connects to different brokers, and you can trade for real in DAS. Absolutely no connection together. All right, so let's get back into character, guys. Let's see what AMD doing. Oh, I got out of everything. So yeah, I'm pretty good. So I had a really big
Kind of look
day. Nvidia, I had a loss. Amazon, big win. AMD also another nice win. So pretty good for the day.
kind of looks like Spy wants to is kind of ramping up to break out here again.
Amazon, what's Amazon? The Amazon came back up, huh? No, Amazon also doesn't have much of a momentum to go up. It couldn't really break the. So Daniel is asking, why do we charge trading terminal for elite members? The reason for that is the cost of data. The exchange are charging per user per month for for the data. So the Nasdaq, the main source of income that they have is not they're getting a commission from transactions, is they're selling the data to you. So the every monthly, every broker that you go, every platform that you use, there is an additional data that they're passing on you, and that goes into the exchange. For level two is $20 per user. I didn't know about that. I was just buying it and selling it to a simulator for free, and then they came to me. They came to I don't know if you saw in Nasdaq that the representative was in our TEDx event here. So what the fuck are you guys doing, selling our data for free, giving for free? You can't do that. Come up. So they gave me a big fine, and they forced me to put it behind the paywall or just release delayed data, 20 minutes delay. That's free. But who wants to trade simulator 20 minutes delay? You can't do that.
Yeah, unless you're just doing a replay.
Yeah, which we had replay, but when we switched to real-time
Yeah,
simulator, they cut me. And that's only the Nasdaq. So, for futures, you have to pay. And Nasdaq is only one major exchange. There are other UTPs and other exchange. And if you want to have all of those ones, there's another one that these three, they all together called SIP. They're pretty expensive. All right, so
yeah.
AMD really rolled over. Oh shit, I have a still order. So here's another important thing, guys. So this is very important. Like, do you see my orders out there up? This is actually a very good learning. I had this order to sell, and then I closed all of my position here. This order is in the book right now, sitting. And if the AMD comes back up, I'm gonna get short. And this is very important. So you have to cancel your order when you close your position. That's why in trading terminal, we're building the hotkeys. So if you have an order out there and then partial and then you push bring to a stop, break to a stop, even you're going to cancel all of the orders that are already out there. Otherwise, you get short. So see, I press escape and my orders get canceled.
Yeah. And you can use what they call a range order, which is which is you can set an order to sell a stock, and then you can set a opposite order to stop out on a stock. So as soon as one of them gets filled, then the other one cancels.
Yeah, they call them one
So
cancel the other. OCO. Yeah, OCO
yeah,
orders. Yeah.
yeah. So it can be pretty. They can be a pretty handy thing if you want to. If you're in a trade and it's trending and you want to, um, you just want to ride it, but you don't want to walk away and just leave it either because anything can happen. So you can use a range order.
How was my new book, guys? Did you guys arrive for you? I ordered 10 copy for myself. It hasn't arrived yet. I wonder, have you anyone got my new book? Send me pictures with your setup, and I
Um,
appreciate the honest review, guys. Really, really, and appreciate an honest review. And if you can put it behind your
it
setup and take a picture, I love that. Share it.
yeah, it could be setting up for a long again. It's you've got a level to trade against on AMD now, which is this pullback, which isn't really that far. But you've got a lot of orders. I'm just looking at it on Bookmap now. You got a lot of orders at 182, 180, 180. I might be going lower. Oh, there it goes.
Thanks, Manav. Yeah, thanks, Vicky. I appreciate it, guys. Send a picture behind your setup and stuff. I'd love to post it, repost it. All right, what time is it? 10:12. Ah, it looks like forever.
Where did you say? Oh, there's another drop on AMD. Yeah, it's got some orders to fill here. Yeah, I'm I wouldn't be going long here. It dropped below the VWAP. I actually looked at AMD when it was kind of looked like it was going to hold the VWAP. I was thinking about it for a long, but I'm glad I didn't because it didn't hold there.
All right, so AMD is completely rolling over. I'm glad I got out of it.
Yeah. Well, it just filled some orders at 180, 180. Now there's some more orders to the downside here. 181 is a big one.
Wow, it's completely rolling over. That is not cool at all.
No.
Ah, Carlos shorted AMD. Nice. Carlos trades really well on Carlos runs the show, raised the fund. He's doing crazy in because he's great. He raised like $500 today for the Cancer Children Foundation. Love that. Alrighty. So, any question, guys? Oh, that's Aaron. That's a great picture. That's a great picture. Can you email it to me?
Yeah.
Actually, no, take a screenshot on that as well. That's great. That's a very beautiful picture. Beautiful setup too. Nice.
I can't trade now because DOS has completely frozen my computer.
Is your computer Pentium 2 from 1978?
No, it's only a couple of years old.
Oh, there you go, Dave here. Oh, that's Dave. So Dave P, who's in the chat room, actually, he is our solution lead behind Trading Terminal. So Dave P, he's David Paul is really amazing member. He just finished his 1 year uh, um, with BBT. So he is helping us. So if there's any issue, just talk to Dave. Say shame, shame, Dave, shame, shame.
So when did you say you're going to try to do a launch with the book map thing?
I think we're on track to be end of September. I think unless there's something crazy
Sweet.
happens. Ah,
Nice.
these pictures are amazing, guys. If you can post those in social media, Mina, that's a great picture. Thank you. Ah, myself in there too. Yeah, if you can post it on social media and tag me, that would be also amazing. That's beautiful, beautiful picture. That's amazing.
Fuck.
I think we're gonna be soon. Google. Let's see what Google is doing. Google, it's not really super choppy. Google, it's almost near all-time high. Google, I don't, I really don't see any trade right now. I don't really see any trade in anything. Uh, I think we got good moves at the open. And CRVW, CR, sorry, WV. This one is core V. Yeah, this one is selling off 7%. This one was one of our crypto also, I think, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, it's a great setup. Oh, this picture is amazing. The great setups.
Tesla bounced off of S3, and PLTR just bounced off of S3. So many S3 bounces. Where's uh where's Thor?
Thor kind of squeezed at the open, I think. I think he's going to uh, think why his life is falling apart. AMD short was nice. I think Carlos shorted above the VWAP. Now it's a little bit tricky on AMD, so I don't see it really going to the low of the day.
Hmm.
Qs and SPY are popping. Yeah, Qs went back up and green. SPY is still making new high of the day.
Yeah, look at
What
SPX.
sector is strong?
Look at SPY go. God, choppy.
So if you come to trading terminal, you'll see which sectors financials are strong. So they're the only sector that are green right now. And materials and real estate are getting hit really bad. So there's still at least one sector in SPY.
Yeah, Qs went back green. Yeah, won't be surprised to see SPY back in the green.
What's how far is it? Oh yeah, SPY is gonna go for sure. It's gonna test the green.
Nvidia's at high of day. Are you still in Nvidia L?
Hmm?
Are you still in Nvidia L?
No, no, I got out of NVIDIA with a small loss. It was a great trade,
Uh,
NVIDIA. NVIDIA actually was the most amazing, turned out to be the best trade. I traded NVIDIA instead, so you can see it on my chart. So I went long, I got a stop out, I went long again, and chickened out. I didn't really chicken out because I had three big position and I wasn't really feeling comfortable trading it, but it turned out to be one of the best moves for the day, NVIDIA. And of course, you can trade NVIDIA, which is the two times leverage of NVIDIA. So if you can, mostly probably you guys want to see this screen, this part. I can actually put this in NVIDIA. Okay, this is probably the most important part of the screen that you want to focus. Nice setup. Nice. Pablo, can you put my new book in there too? That would be nice. That's a very nice setup. Yeah, it's a lot of yeah, it's a lot of I think Dave should also be on the right side. Maybe email Ryan.
Hmm. We're getting a pullback here. So we get a bounce.
Wow. AMD. It's amazing. Carlos is so funny. Carlos is built for pre-market. I think in his previous life, he was doing pre-market show. He's raising money, he's trading, he's answering chat, he's changing the screens. He's
And
jack
he's
of all trade.
multitasking.
Jack of an all trade. Sometimes his children's coming, sitting on his lap, he's playing with them. This guy is amazing. He's now short AM. It's a great trade.
Yeah, Carlos is he's taking a couple weeks off starting after Friday.
He's gonna take a couple of weeks off. Oh my god, that's not good.
Yep.
I didn't know that. Shit.
Hmm.
All right, Pierre, what did you trade? Pierre, nice short, 184.50. Nice short, Pierre. That's a great trade. Wow, Mike, really, what should we do without Carlos?
Yeah.
Who approved his vacation? Mike, why did you approve his vacation? Carlos is not allowed to take any vacation.
Keep him chained to the desk.
Rigetti, RGTI. Let's see what RGTI doing. Had the earning this week. Oh, it was kind of flat. It's a nice move, but kind of flat. Um, Wolf. I kind of don't like anything right now. Rocket Lab, Wolf. What is this one? Terra Wolf. This one is popping up 41%. It's kind of meh. Float is 286 million, so it's kind of a big float.
Yeah. SPY kind of looks now it's looking weak. It's at the 20 though. It could bounce here. Hmm.
TRIB went green again, huh? This one is very tricky. I got halted. Yeah, this one is very tricky. I was thinking of jumping here. This is a very typical fallen angel, but the problem with these ones are his the risk management is super difficult. So I was thinking of jumping back in there, but again, be careful of your share size. This might open higher and becomes extremely volatile.
It's my Trib stock. I was thinking about watching it.
Nvidia was one of the best
Wow.
moves actually.
Yeah. Pull back and then just a rocket ship. Yeah, it's halted. It's at high of the pre-market. It's 240.
That's absolutely amazing. Urban average, your average price 170. That's great. If you're trading TRIB, probably after the halt is over, maybe you can stop partial. At least take some off. That's a great average. That's amazing. Yes, Janet, we're going to have trading terminal webinars and intro and videos as well. It's quite trading terminal, but the way that we build it is quite I don't know what call it, the idiot proof. I don't know what's the name for it. Like, should be able to everybody figuring it out. It shouldn't be super complex. Maybe you're going to
User
be
friendly.
user friendly, yeah. Uh, so journal maybe a little bit because you have to connect your brokers and stuff. Maybe you need a little bit of the things, but generally, if you know what are the studies at, you should be pretty, uh, intuitive. Like, I don't think, for example, for trading view, there is any, you know, special training or something. It's quite they play around with it, and that's another thing is about trading. There's a lot of self-learning. Sometimes people are coming up for boot camp and they email us, okay, do this. How do I do this? I want this. I want this. I want this. And Brandon answered a lot of questions on the platform, but you eventually have to marry your platform. You have to play around with it, and you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to be, a computer scientist, but you have to play around with it. If someone like Brian can figure out the platform, believe me, you guys can figure out the platform.
Yeah.
So, and a lot of things, especially dots, there's so many things that is unnecessary. There is so many useless things in there. Not useless, it's not for us. They're very specialized for, sophisticated trading, risk management, and, firms, trading firms and stuff. For us, I use probably 5% of what DAS is offering, and I think it's good enough for me. I'm not even interested in learning some other things. Exactly, Matt. A guy who's dude's coffee shop can figure
Yeah.
out the platform.
There you go. Yeah. Anything. You can learn anything on YouTube.
Yeah, who's joining bootcamp? How was the last bootcamp? This bootcamp is really nice because Thor is going to do the live trading for 3 days, and then the rest of the team moderators also do another 2 days. So we actually made some changes into some of the curriculum based on the feedback that we got. So we're pretty excited for the coming bootcamp, which we start, I think,
South Surrey.
September 6th, I think, or 7th.
The coffee shops in South Surrey. It's called The Dudes. You want to jump over to YouTube?
Yeah, let's go over there. Let's mute everything here. Any question, guys, before we go to YouTube? Because I like to, pay attention here if anyone